Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to attempt to open this lock. It's a Schlosser Technik. All the usual stuff on the front there. It's a 6-pin lock. That's a look at the bitting. So nothing too challenging, I dare say. So let's see what happens. So 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3 is binding, just a little turn in the core, 4 just a touch, 5 is binding, number 6 is binding, just a touch on it, it's back to 1, it's loose, 2 is now binding, bit of counter rotation around 5. That's it open. I just lost one there. It just came back up again, so I just had to reset it. So, yep, that's it. It doesn't feel the most secure lock in the world. It doesn't feel like an Abus inside or a Yale, so it is pretty loose. I don't think the tolerances would be that great. So perhaps not one for the front door or the back door. I'll just see if it is susceptible to some other type of attacks here. So I just try like just a double pick, see what happens. Seems okay to that one. Try the big brother, the triple pick. Yeah, that one didn't last too long. I'll just see if anything else, like I've never actually ever used a city rig before, so I'll see if it does anything. Yep, city rig opens it. So I'll try the double pick again. I quite like it, and I was surprised it didn't open it out a previous time, so let's see. You can actually just feel a couple of pins just sticking in the back there, or was it a binding one, so. No, double pick doesn't want to work today. Oh well, there you go. So yep, as I say, it's easy enough to SPP. Certain rakes work on it. So yeah, definitely not one for the front room. Probably wouldn't even buy one if you were interested in learning about picking. I don't think you're going to learn very much from it. There's the tolerances aren't great, and it just feels crunchy inside. So save yourself a few quid. I think it cost me £4 or something like that. So it's not going to break the bank. But there you go. There's better locks on the market. Just give you a quick look at it again there. Schlosser Technik, and once again the bitting on the key. So there you go. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I'll hopefully have another video very, very soon. Bye bye.